Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. Today, we are going to unbox the Soft Shell Gilet from LeCol. LeCol is a British-based cycling gear manufacturer. All their products are made in Italy in their factory, and this is the first time I've gotten my hands on one of these, so this is what it was shipped in. This is the box, which I think is kind of a nice touch with the LeCol logo there. If we flip it to the side, ride faster, ride further. And, you know, that's true with cycling clothing. You know, aerodynamics is a big part of it. So let's just jump right into this box, open it up, pull off the pull tab, flip things up. And that's kind of cool. You've got again, the logo, a cool cycling shot there as well. You know, their tagline, ride faster, ride further. Nice LeCol tissue paper there. Decal's holding it all together. So very nice presentation in terms of the vest or gilet, however you want to say it. You can say it either way in Canada because it's a dual language country. So there you have it. Kind of the first look there. And to the touch feels really, really nice. It's 100% polyester. And no price here, but it was 155 Canadian dollars. So you'll notice right off the hop, it is embroidered on the front. This little zip tuck here, we do have the LeCol branding on the zip as well. And then you can see we've got LeCol detailing there and some of the seam lines. We flip this guy over. We've got the LeCol on the back, and then we've got a nice mesh back here. Now, there is no pockets, which is kind of unfortunate. I would have liked to have seen that, even though typically you're using a gilet as sort of an intermediate thing. The nice thing is this should be able to crumple up fairly well and go in a pocket somewhere. We've got reflective tabs, so you are better seen. And if we take a look, you know, the seams all look pretty good. This guy is also, you know, water resistance, and if we zip it up, and wind resistant, you can see there is no liner on the inside, and then of course the mesh on the back. So, you know, in the rain, your lower back's going to get a little bit wet. You know, I don't know why they went, just probably for the venting, because I know with some of my rain gear that it gets super, super hot. But overall, I have to say, you know, the quality is really nice. You know, again, this is sort of my first look at LeCol stuff because we do have to get it shipped over and wanted to take a look at some of their items prior to picking up things like bibs and jacket. But overall, you know, I'd have to say very happy with how it looks and the workmanship, and, you know, the seams all look very good. So there you have it. That is a quick look at the LeCol Gilet. If you're interested in it, there will be a link down below in the video. And until next time, remember, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see ya.